Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe. Today, let's dive into the world of Demat accounts and its uses. A Demat account, short for dematerialized account, is an electronic account used to hold and trade securities such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in electronic form. It eliminates the need for physical share certificates and facilitates easy and secure trading and investment in the stock market. Uses of a Demat account include: Number 1. Safekeeping of securities. It provides a secure way to hold securities electronically, reducing the risk of loss, theft, or damage associated with physical certificates. Number 2. Convenient trading. Investors can buy and sell securities through their Demat accounts easily with the help of trading account, either online or through a broker. Number 3. Quick settlement. Demat accounts facilitate faster settlement of trades compared to physical certificates, enabling quicker transactions. Number 4. Portfolio management. Investors can easily monitor their investment portfolio and track transactions through their Demat accounts. Number 5. Reduces paperwork. It eliminates the need for paperwork associated with physical share certificates, making the process more efficient and environmentally friendly. Overall, a Demat account simplifies the process of investing in securities and makes it more convenient and secure for investors. I hope you understand the concept of Demat account. Comment your opinion, like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the Tectonic Motivator channel for more interesting updates.